So in today's session, we are going to discuss about email scripts, guys. Email scripts are actually advanced topic to email notification. Okay. First of all, you will create an email script. You will call that email script in the email notification. You will create an email script. You will call that email script in the email notification using dollar our bracket mail underscore script colon email name. It is the syntax of the email script in the email notification. Okay. This is the syntax to call the email script in the email notification, guys. Okay. If you all remember, whenever a record is created, we are sending an email to the caller and assignment group members, right? We are sending an email to the caller and assignment group members. Did you check it in your personal developer instance that is the email is sending? Okay. So in today's requirement, whenever the finance case is created, I have to keep caller in the to list and group members in the CC list. In the email, you will see to list, CC list, BCC list, right? Okay. So what is it doing now? It is actually keeping caller in the to list, group members in the to list. So everybody will be there in the to list. I want to keep caller in the to list and group members in the CC list. Okay. So what I'm doing is, first of all, I'm going to create an email script, guys. Yes, my instance has some problem. Okay. Just a moment, guys. Okay, I am going to create a email script, guys. Okay. Notification email script. Open this one. I am creating a email script now, which will actually keep the group members in CC list. Okay. This is called ugly case, guys. Ugly case. If you use all lowercase letters and if you replace spaces with underscore, this is called ugly case. Okay. The email script, you have current object available. Current object refers to from which record this email is sent out. From which record this email is sent out. Okay. Current object refers to which record this email is sent out to. That record values, you can get it using current object. Whatever the record that we are creating, right? That record values you can access using current object. Okay. And we have email object. Email object refers to if you want to keep group members in CC list, BCC list, email related, whatever the email that we are sending, right? That email related content, you can deal using email object. So here I am going to take the group here, where gr is equal to current dot u underscore assignment underscore group. Okay. So what exactly it does? It will take the current record, finance case record assignment group. It will take. I am writing a get group numbers. I'm writing light record on the PR number. Okay. PRP, GROUP group. Group will be current assignment group. Current assignment group you are storing in this variable, right? Yeah. You will use while loop to each group member. Guys, here I am using email object here, guys. Email object. Email dot add address. First parameter. If you want to keep members in CC, you will use CC. If you want to keep members in BCC, you will keep BCC. Comma email address. So gr dot user dot email. Here in the group number table, user is a reference field. This is why I dot walked here. Gr dot user dot name. The group members in the CC list. I created an email script, guys. I created an email script. I am going to call this email script using this syntax. What is the email script name? This is the email script name. Okay. Go to the email notifications that we created. So finance case created. This is the email notification that we created in yesterday's session, right? So here first you have to remove assignment group from here so that it will add into the to list. You have to remove assignment group here. So only caller will be added to the to list. Go to the what it will contain. Go to the message HTML. Okay. Here anywhere you can use this. You can use this line of script. Anywhere. Dollar flower brackets mail underscore script colon email script name. Okay. A finance case record and we'll see if that is actually added in the CC list or not. Unfortunately, my instance is sending so many emails. Okay. Whenever I create a finance case record now, the able tutor will be in the list and application development will be in the CC list. Now I am actually creating a finance case record. As soon as I create the record, email notification will be triggered and email script will run. Email script will actually keep the group members in CC list. Clear, right? So we'll send out an email. It will keep the member caller in the to list, group members in the CC list. Okay, fine. You guys are clear, right? Now we will understand another requirement. Whenever we are creating a finance case record, whenever we are creating a finance case record, finance case record, we are selecting the caller, right? If this caller has already few finance cases already created, if this caller has already few finance cases as a caller, those I want to show it in a email body. So let me able tutor as a caller. There are so many, right? Able tutor as a caller. There are so many finance cases, right? 13 are there. These 13. Okay, number, short description, and assignment group. I should show it in the email notification body. Okay. So guys, first requirement is clear, right? How to keep the group members in CC list. Well, here we are using current object here. Using current object, we are getting current assignment group. Using that, we are querying the group member table. The group member table, how many group members are there? We are actually keeping all the group members in the CC list using this email.add address. This line is used to keep the group members in CC list. If you want to keep them in BCC list, you will use BCC here. Okay. Fine. Now we will actually understand another requirement. We'll understand another requirement. I am going to create an email notification. Okay. So caller cases. Caller value you can get it using current object, guys. Rent dot u underscore caller. Var gr. So you are actually querying the finance case table only. You're querying the finance case table with current caller. Don't show the current record. Okay. So guys, here we have to write some HTML here. We have to write some HTML here. I'm writing table tag here. Okay. I'm creating a row here. Table row. That row I am actually creating table data. Okay. Number. Okay. Number. Mm, Short description. Assignment group. So I am just in a string format. Okay. Guys, if this HTML you want to add it to the email body, you have to use another object called a template object. This is the HTML. You have to add this HTML to email body means you have to use template object. So template dot print, inside this you have to add this HTML. Okay. Getting my point, right? And I am again writing template dot print outside this particular one. Okay. Template dot print. Template dot print. You have to write HTML here. Your dot get value u underscore number u underscore assignment group. Okay. We can also use border. Okay. I'm creating an email script here. So here we have used current object, we have used template object here. Current object, template object we have used here, guys. Current object is used to get the record values. Template object is used to pass the HTML to email body. Email object is used to keep the group members in, keep the members in CC list, BCC list. Okay. You saved it, right? You have to call this email script in the email body. Okay. Clear, right? So I am going to the email notification. The what it will contain. Okay, just below this one. I'm just calling the email script. Dollar flower brackets mail underscore script colon email script name. Unfortunately, that email logs are actually not actually showing in my instance. I have to look into it. If you click on preview instance here, it is not showing anything. We'll do one thing. We'll first execute the script in the background script. What do you say, guys? Uh, first execute the script in the background script. So in place of caller, I am taking ability system ID. Okay. Okay. This is how it is printing, guys. Okay. This is how it has given the HTML, guys. You can see every finance case record short description, assignment group. Okay. So what exactly this does is that this will actually give the HTML in this format, guys. This will give the HTML in this format. So here you have to use get display value, because it will is a reference field, right? It will give the system ID of the assignment group. Okay. So I'm just calling this email script in the email body, right? Here I am actually calling the email script the email body. Okay. So here what exactly it will look like is that okay. Okay. So it will actually add the caller's details in the email body. Okay. Now I am going to create a finance case record. As soon as I create a finance case record, okay. Okay. So able tutor has how many records as a caller in the finance case table? Those records will be shown in the email body. Those records will be shown in the email body. So here caller is able tutor, right? So here you will get able tutor system ID. Using the table tutor system ID, you are actually querying the finance case table caller field. Okay, you are excluding the current record. Okay. Rest of the records, you are actually you are querying it, right? You are actually showing into the table format. You are showing into the table format. Okay. So we have rows, right? Rows are I'm actually adding into the rows format. Every record I'm actually adding into the rows format here. So this HTML, I am actually passing through the email body using template object. This HTML I am passing through the email body. I am passing to the email body using this template object. Okay. So template is actually a keyword in ServiceNow, guys. It is an object. It is used to carry values from email script to email body. Okay. And we will see in the email logs, did we find any email related to finance case or not? So in my instance, it is not working properly, guys. Okay. I would request you to do the same thing in your personal developer instance. I'm copy pasting this script in the chart so that you can use this one. Okay. So why am I using this one? I have to keep caller finance cases in the email body. The caller has how many finance cases as a caller, which is already created. Those I have to show it in the email body. For that, I have created an email script. In the email script, I have accessed the current caller value. Using that, I am querying the finance cases with the caller field, excluding the current record. And I am actually showing them in the table format. The table I am actually showing in the email body. Okay. You guys are clear, right? Fine. Now we are able to understand current object. Current object is used to get the current form field values. The finance cases which is created, right? That record values you can get it using current object. Template object is used to carry values from email script to email body. And we have email object. Email object is used to keep the members in CC list, BCC list. We use email object. And we have event object. We'll discuss email action object in the end. Okay. Guys, do you remember event concept that we discussed yesterday? Do you remember event concept that I explained yesterday? Hmm? Okay. Now I will tell you. We'll go to the email notification. Whenever the short description changes, we are sending an email to the assigned to. Whenever the short description changes, we are sending an email to the assigned to person. You can see whenever short description changes, assigned to is receiving an email, right? So in the message body, we are able to show the current short description. So what is the previous short description also I have to show in the email body. Current short description and previous short description, both I have to show it in the email body. I am going to create another column here. Dollar, flower brackets, mail underscore script colon, email script name. Email script name. For now, I'm just keeping it now. We'll change it later. Guys, here in the email script, do we have previous values access? We have only current values access. We don't have previous values access. Where are the previous values available? Now you can recall the previous sessions. Tell me where all the places we have previous object available. Hmm? Where all the places we have previous object available? Didn't you find previous object anywhere? Hmm? That is actually in the unchanged client script, you are able to see old value, guys. That is not a previous value. Previous value, you can only see it in the business rules. Previous values, you can see it only in the business rules, guys. Okay. Business rules. So in the finance case table, in the after business only, you have only previous object available. In the async business rule also, you don't have previous object available. Configure, go to business rules. Okay. When short description changes, this business rule will run. Okay, this business rule will run, right? Now what I'm doing is, guys, here, this is the email notification, right? Okay. This email notification, I am going to fire it through event. I'm going to fire it through event. I'm going to create an event registry in the event registry. We created an event, right? You have to map this event here. Okay. You are going to send this email from the event, guys. So you are going to fire this event from this particular business rule. Okay. So here I am actually passing previous dot u underscore short description. The event param one, I am actually passing event previous short description, guys. Here previous subject is available, right? Okay. So first of all, whenever you change the short description, this business rule will run. It will actually fire the event. Once this event is fired, this notification will be sent out. This notification will be sent out. Once this notification is sent out, it will actually call the email script. In the email script, you have show previous short description. Here you have event object, right? Using this event, you can get event param one value. Now what I'm doing is template.print. I'm using event object here. Event.param1. Event.param1. So in the event param1, here you are passing in the event param1, you are passing previous short description here, right? That you are actually accessing here. Event.param1. So you created an email script and you are actually accessing previous value. In the email body, you are calling the email script, right? In the email script, in place of this one, you use this email script. Okay, you are calling the show previous short description email script here. In the email script, what you are doing, you are actually accessing event.param1. Event.param1 is actually having previous short description. So if you don't use this event concept, you can't access the previous values. Because in the email script, you have only current object, right? There is no previous object available, right? Previous object is only available in the business rules. Got it, right? Previous object is only available in the after business tools. And in the email script, it is not available, right? So then what we will do, we have actually created an event first. We mapped that event in the email notification. We mapped that event in the email notification here. Event is fired, the event. Event we are firing it through business tool. That event we are actually firing it through business rule. Okay. Clear, right? So we are firing it the event in the event param one, we are passing the previous value. That previous value you are accessing here using event.param1. That you have kept it in the template.print. Then you have called this email script in the email body. You have called the email script in the email body here. Dollar flower brackets mail underscore script colon email script name. So that it will populate the previous values. Okay. Fine. Now in the email script, there is one more object called email action. Email action refers to the email notification record. Email notification record, email notification name, email notification table, email notification category, email notification record values. If you want to access, you can use email action. You can see this name itself is an email action. Email notification table name is not is an email action. Email action is nothing but this record values. If you want to get the recipients list, what you can do is, okay, what you can do is you can just use, okay, email action dot recipient field. Email action refers to the email record that you are calling the email script. On which email notification you are calling the email script, that email record. Email record means this one, guys. See, not finance case record, email record. See, this is finance case record. This is email record. In this email, you are calling the email script, right? This email record values, if you want to access, you can use email action object. You have current object is used to access the current record field values. And here template object is used to pass the value from email script to email body. Email object is used to keep the members in CC and BCC list. Email record is nothing but it is used to get the email notification field values. And here event object. So when the email notification is triggered from the event, if you want to get the event param 1 and event param 2, you will use email object. Clear, right? Clear or not? Everyone. Okay. I am unmuting everyone, guys. Now you can ask all of your questions if you have any questions. Yeah, hi.
Yesterday's topic on the this notifications.
Yes.
I'm actually trying to delete the record. When we delete the record, we need to send out an email, right? So for that, it was not working. I mean, using the business rule, we were trying to trigger the notification. So that it's not able to. Otherwise, all other options was working fine. So I don't know where.
You can share your screen if you want. You can.
Yeah. Let me just open it and then share.
can remove the filter and run it.
Yeah.
So you created an event?
Yeah, I created an event and that so this one.
Notification, where did you map that?
So I'm mapping this over here.
Okay.
Right? And then the business rule. If in case deleted, I have created over here.
Okay.
So I tried with both before and after, but it's not working.
Okay, go to the advanced tab. Can you delete it now?
Yeah.
So whom you are sending an email?
So caller, assignment group, and assign to 3.
Okay, once the record is deleted, there won't be any fields available. You do one thing, use event param 1 contains recipient, event param 2 contains recipient.
That also I've done, but
Okay.
even
You go to the business rule. So in place of empty, right? After null, use in place of empty.
okay.
Remove the empty quotations. Current dot. Current dot u underscore column. So in second empty parameter there, right? You remove that. Current dot u underscore assignment underscore group. U underscore.
Okay.
So remove those fields from the email notification. Remove those fields from here.
Should I delete now?
Yeah, you can delete it now.
Okay. So because once we delete that record will not exist, so we will not be able to get those
Yes.
caller and those things. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Oh, thank you.
Clear, right?
Yes, clear. Thank you.
Yeah.